Today I am putting together one of our beginner wreath kits. This kit included 2 bolts of 10-inch mesh, and I went ahead and I cut them into 10-inch pieces. I am alternating the groupings as I go around the wreath. So this grouping has 2 pink with 1 stripe. My next grouping is going to be 2 stripe with 1 pink. And you're going to want to alternate as you go around the whole wreath, the back larger ring and the top smaller ring, until the whole thing is filled in. If you haven't already checked out all of our wreath kits, go ahead and visit our TikTok shop. We have a few different types of wreath kits. This one is our beginner, easiest wreath kit you can get. And then we also offer ribbon collections, and we have coordinating bow kits if you wanted to make a matching bow and add it onto the wreath. And we also carry a large selection of picks that you can stick into the wreath as well. Our beginner wreath kits include 9 different ribbons that we have grouped into groups of 3 for you. And so you cut them into 12-inch pieces. I'm going to take one of each ribbon from that first grouping and spread them out. I'm going to bunch it across the center, and we're going to twist it right on top of that mesh that we just added. And I tuck the remaining peg under and I fluff up the ribbon. And then for the next grouping, I'm going to take one of each of the ribbons, and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way around that top ring of the wreath until it's all filled in. Each of our wreath kits include a bottle of Fray Check, so I dovetailed the ends of the ribbons and then I added Fray Check to the edges. It just makes the ribbon not fray, it makes it last a lot longer. After you get the ribbon filled in, you're going to attach your sign. This one came with 2 foam ghosts. And I went ahead and I added pipe cleaners to the top of mine so I could just twist it onto the wreath frame. And I just kind of staggered them a little bit. This is my favorite design of the Halloween season. I love the pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and make sure to visit our TikTok shop and order a wreath kit today.